In this video, we will use Chrome's color picking tool. It's really quite easy. Here is a colorful home page, and I need to do a little work with adjusting and matching the colors on this page. The green background of the content area is a color we can inspect. So I will right-click kind of off to the side over the green, choose Inspect, and that opens the Dev Tools. Mine are docked on the right-hand side. If you don't like that or you want that and you don't have it, you can press this ... menu button and see all the different places you can dock your Dev Tools. Here's the color in the CSS pane, background color #D2DA7C. That's my green color. It even shows a little preview color swatch. I can adjust this hex value by clicking on it and just typing in a new value. Maybe I want to remove all the blue value by putting 00 as the last two digits. I can also click right on the color swatch and open a color picker. From here, I can use the sliders, I can use the handy swatches, or I can manually adjust the hex code here too. I can even switch between hex and decimal, which is really great if you need the alpha transparency channel. It even switches to HSLA if you prefer that color model. Though if you need to support browsers prior to IE 11, you'll want to go back to RGB, hex code, or decimal after you have played with it in HSL. So now let's say you're having a hard time finding the right color in the CSS pane, or you know the color you want is part of an image not specified in the CSS and you want that color code. No problem. You can pick any element to inspect. Let's say this image here. Inspect. And this image doesn't have a color code anywhere on it. I can just add it right here in the element.style selector. Color, I can even just use a name like white. And then here's my color swatch. My color picker eyedropper is currently blue. That means it's on. If you click on it, you can toggle it if it's not on. And then that gives you the color picker for any pixel on the page. You can see as I hover over this image, it is previewing me a nice close-up of every pixel. So if I want the perfect transition between this light blue and this dark blue, there it is, that 1 pixel width. I can click on it, and there it is in my color picker. You can even open image files in the browser without them being part of a web page and do this same thing, where you right-click on the image in the browser and then use the color picker to inspect it to find your colors. Easy as that. Thanks for watching and happy coding.